Hi, it's Pierre at Big Wolf Marketing. Today, we're delving into a topic that can truly transform your approach to sales and marketing. As the title suggests, it's how to get into a prospect's mind. If you want to connect with your audience on a deeper level, you've come to the right place. Get ready to discover some practical tips, psychological techniques, and valuable knowledge to help you understand your prospects better than ever before. So to start, let's emphasize the importance of research. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about your prospects, the better you can tailor your approach. Here's some eye-opening statistics for you to highlight the value of research. 79% of buyers feel frustrated if the content that they receive isn't actually relevant to their needs. 61% of consumers feel better about your company if they deliver custom content. That's a statistic that Salesforce come up with. 86% of buyers are willing to pay more for a greater customer experience. It's PwC. Clearly, personalized and relevant content is the name of the game. So how do we get into your prospect's mind effectively? Number one, your biggest superpower, if you like, is empathy. Empathy isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer. To understand your prospects, you really need to feel what they feel, walk in their shoes, as they say. Ask yourself, what keeps them up at night? What are their challenges that they have within the context of their business or their role? This emotional connection is the foundation of effective marketing, and it really, really helps you make what you're selling relevant. So if they've got a challenge, if they've got pain points within their business, within their everyday, and your product or your service is a solution for that, or is going to help them, then it's really going to be relevant. So you really want to think about how they feel, what the challenges are to them. You need to harness the power of psychology as well. So psychology provides invaluable insights into human behavior. For instance, use the principle of reciprocity, which is where you offer something of value to your prospects before asking for anything in return. It's a great way. So if you offer something up, you give advice, even videos like this, advice, it's showing worth, it's giving something, it's giving value and showing authority in a sort of a certain topic, as being sales and marketing. And that's powerful, if you're giving something, you're helping people initially, before really kind of getting to the pitch. If you offer something of value, your prospects, really will have an interest. You also want to leverage social proof. So you want to highlight testimonials, have case studies, show positive reviews. You want to really, with that, it just builds trust. People, will see what you've done with different companies, and it's relevant. It really is. Also understand cognitive biases. So recognize that people will often make decisions based on emotions, not logic. So it's how they feel about a pitch, it's how they feel about a product or service. They'll have, biases in their mind that will make them sway perhaps to a different offering. So you want to think about what is important to them and recognize those, cognitive biases that will make people make decisions. You also want to create buyer personas. So buyer personas are sort of fictional representations of your ideal customers. They help you to humanize, in a sense, your target audience. So you want to consider demographics, psychographics, pain points, and aspirations. The more detailed your personas, the more precise your marketing strategies will be and can be. You also want to map the customer journey. Understanding the path your prospects take from awareness to conversion is crucial. If you identify touch points, pain points, and opportunities of engagement, this insight enables you to tailor your content, your messaging, your outreach at every stage, and also to have a sort of a visual representation of it for yourself. Also, a really strong point is analyzing data, and you want to do that wisely. Data-driven decisions are your secret weapons. So you want to use tools and analytics to track prospect behavior, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. This is with things like email marketing, or if you've got visuals on the back end of your website so you can see interactions, how long people stay on certain pages, how long they are engaged, how many pages they view, things like that. It's all really, really useful. This information helps you to refine your strategies and allocate your resources effectively. You also want to, as I've mentioned in other videos, constantly optimize. Marketing is an ever-evolving field, so you want to stay agile and open to change. You want to test different approaches, measure results, and then adapt. Remember, what works for one prospect just might not work for another. As we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. Your prospects are not just targets, they're individuals with unique needs and desires. To get into their minds, you must approach them with empathy. You want to have that backed by a solid understanding of psychology and data. And if you can do that, you're going to create a lot more results in terms of sales. Well, that's a wrap for this episode of our sort of weekly advice video. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be well on your way to creating campaigns and results that truly resonate with your prospects. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay curious and keep the insights flowing. And if you really focus on the psychology of your prospects, if you, as the video says, get in their mind, you will create more results and you'll have happier customers as well. Well, if you've enjoyed this, please do like the video, subscribe, share, give us a comment as well. And if you're interested in telemarketing services, any sales consultancy, anything related to sort of sales and marketing, go onto our website. It's bigwolfmarketing.co.uk. You can download our pricing with it. It's there, it's transparent. Or you can book a call with myself, a sort of initial discovery call where we can talk through everything that we can do for you. Well, thank you very much and hope you've enjoyed it. Do also check out the other videos we've done and keep coming back for more videos each week.